Hi everybody, Dr. Eli Camp here. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I hold my DHANP and I'm a member of the Homeopathic Academy of Naturopathic Physicians. This is a quick short case of hip pain that one of my old patients, hadn't talked to in a really long time, called me up and said, I've been really getting back to the gym and I'm doing good, except that I've got this hip pain that won't go away. And I've seen a couple of people, so she had moved across the country and found some local people to work with. And so she'd gotten a few remedies and they hadn't helped. And she called me and she said, could we talk about it and see if you have an idea for a different remedy? So right-sided hip pain, it bothered her all the time. It wasn't better or worse while she was exercising. It hurt the whole time. After exercising, it hurt more than it did before, but it would go away in a couple of hours. And her biggest concern with it, because she could kind of ignore it during the day, but it was at night when she was trying to sleep that her mind would really focus on the hip pain. And it was a deep pain. She had a really hard time saying if it was aching or stabbing or burning or pounding or throbbing. It just hurt and sore. It was a sore pain. And so she had taken arnica for it from another homeopath, and she had tried some cell salts, and another homeopath had given her pulsatilla. And so we talked about it, and right, the pain was such that I gave her Ruta, and she chatted me an hour after that, and she said, oh my goodness, the pain is gone, gone, gone for the first time in like over a year. It's just gone. And she was excited. So I prescribed Ruta, not because it's known as a connective tissue or joint remedy, right? It is known as that, but specifically because it was better with warmth. It was much worse when the weather got cold, especially when it got cold and damp. It was very painful when she was in bed lying on that side, on the hip. She was very sore, and after the exercise, she would be quite stiff. And so, yeah, that's what we did. We did Ruta, we did 30C, and then I think a few months later she had to take a dose of 200C, but it's been all good since. So love that Ruta. Keep your remedies handy. Keep using your homeopathy. Thanks for joining me today.